and I'm really excited to share with you today the ongoing journey of HMAX. That's the new digital asset management platform that we launched just a few months ago, and we are now showing to our colleagues in India and our customers as well. And joining me is Ashutosh, who is going to talk through what's next, Ashutosh, for HMAX in India.
India has been using the HMAX, the vibrational monitoring system, on its passenger coaches. 100 coaches in more than 5 zones of the Indian Railway is the main line, the 4th largest in the world.
What are customers most excited by when you talk them through what we're offering them today with HMAX, with the vibration monitoring solution, and then what's coming next?
The customer, they found the HMAX as a comprehensive solution, as an umbrella, where not just the demand for the rolling stock predictive maintenance is met, they see that the entire offering, the gambit of signaling, the infra, the track, everything is met. And customer is keen that this offering can give them the advantage in the cost reduction, in their life cycle cost, and also the higher or better reliability of the rolling stock. Hitachi will be the partner of choice to the Indian Railways for this entire life cycle journey.